Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabian, your trusted realtor in Charleston, South Carolina. If you're getting ready to sell your home, you might be thinking about making some updates. But before you start, there are a few things you should avoid doing to get the best return on your investment. Also in this video, as a bonus, I'm going to give you the number one thing you must do to get your house ready to sell. So let's jump right into the top 7 things not to do when selling your home. Coming in at number 7, don't fix or remodel beyond the value of your neighborhood. If you spend too much on upgrades, you may never see that money back because your home might outprice the market for your area. Number 6, don't replace the front door. While curb appeal is important, replacing the door can be costly and may not significantly increase your home's value. Changing the hardware and a fresh coat of paint will do the trick. Number 5, don't replace the appliances. New appliances can be very expensive, and buyers might not see the value. Instead, make sure the ones you have are clean and in good working condition. If necessary, offer a homeowner's warranty as a seller concession to attract buyers. Number 4, don't remodel kitchens or bathrooms. These projects are costly and very time-consuming. A simple refresh like new hardware or a deep clean can make a big difference without breaking the bank. If you didn't already upgrade for your enjoyment, why remodel for someone else to enjoy? Number 3, don't replace window coverings. High-end blinds or curtains just might not pay off. Instead, ensure the current ones are clean and functional, or just simply remove them and let the natural light shine through. Number 2, don't replace flooring. Unless your floors are in terrible shape, new flooring can be a major expense that won't necessarily increase your home's value. Consider professional cleaning instead. If the floors are in such bad shape, try replacing with a neutral color builder-grade carpet. And before we get to the number 1 item you shouldn't do, here is the bonus tip of the number 1 thing you must do. Declutter. Yes, go through the entire home and declutter every room, getting rid of those items you no longer want or use, and organizing everything to create an inviting and an open space. For other items to consider of what you should do to sell your home, click on this link. And finally, the number 1 thing not to do, don't replace the roof unless it's absolutely necessary. A new roof is a huge investment that may not pay off in the sales price. Just make sure it's in good condition and be sure to make any necessary repairs before listing. So there you have it, the top 7 things not to do when selling your home. Remember, sometimes less is more when it comes to preparing your home for sale. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.